Texas, calm. Hello, Mandy. This is your Paris, who's going on the nerves of my old English. This is, by the way, the mum of the bobtail you saw. Paris. Doro, komm mal. Doro, komm. Paris, come. Say hello to your mum in Ireland. You see all my full garbage bins of dog shit, what I have to clean, so I hope you forgive me this. And this is the dad of the dog from Colm Hastings. And this is little brother Peter Fonda, who will go away the next couple of days. Paris, hey Peter. Oh, of course, two puppies to put on the video on the same time is very difficult. Peter, guck mal. Sag mal hallo Gabi, hallo Alfred. Ich komme nach Bielefeld. Ja, ich komme nach Bielefeld. Und dann mache ich die Gegend unsicher. Ja, Peter. Peter? Ja. Peter, Peter, Peter. Paris. Okay. Mandy, there's your Paris again. Paris or Texas. Of course, my old man has to growl at her. Paris. Paris. Texas. Oh my God, but she's doing very nicely, you see. Peter. Guck mal, Peter, sag mal hallo. Hallo Alfred. Hallo Gabi. Ich komme zu euch. Ja. Naja, mein alter Bobtail-Sack von 10,5, der findet so ein Junggemüse natürlich gar nicht so schön. Paris. Paris. Peter, Peter. Peter, Peter. Paris. Mandy, you can see she's not giving up. He's standing there and he's growling on her. And she is just lying there and saying, hello, you are such a big giant dog. I'm doing nothing. Hello, Paris. Of course, both are now near my feet. So,